After recording with your Blackmagic camera, does your video look flat or low in color? Don't worry. Today, I'll show you how to import a LUT into Blackmagic Camera and how to save your video with that LUT applied. The video you're watching right now was shot using Blackmagic Camera. A LUT was applied to it. You can see the colors look more cinematic. Better contrast, better skin tones. And the best part? This color result was saved directly to the gallery right after recording. No extra editing needed. You just need to import one LUT file into your Blackmagic Camera. So let's get started. I'll show you how to import a LUT file, where to download LUT files, and how to save your video with the LUT applied. Where to download LUT files? First, open any browser. Then tap on search value and visit techloadblog.com. It's my official's website. Then tap on recent post, free Blackmagic Camera LUT pack download. Please waiting 30 seconds for download bottom available. Then tap on download and selected your Gmail account. Then tap OK. Now simply download LUT file. Tap three-dot menu file name right corner, then tap on download. After downloaded LUT file, open Blackmagic Camera app. Then tap on Setting and tap LUT section. Then first enable Record LUT to Clips. Then tap on LUTs Manager. Then turn off all default LUT. Then scroll down. Then tap on Import LUT file. Then select all LUT file and tap on Open. Now record your video. After recording, the colored version will automatically save to your gallery. If you already recorded in log without applying LUT, don't worry. You can still apply the same LUT later while editing. For example, you can use DaVinci Resolve to apply the LUT during color grading.